You've seen this F-150 before on the show. Yeah, pretty plain Jane, but oh, just wait. Check it out. Got your attention now. We'll show you how we did this and a whole lot more coming up on Motorhead Garage.
Motorhead Garage, the program that each week introduces you to and shows you how to install the latest in exciting and innovative products for your vehicle. Motorhead Garage is presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. Now here's your host, Dave Dobson.
Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, is on the air, and we are lighting it up. Speaking of lighting, did you know that lighting is one of the most popular sectors of the aftermarket industry? And Brian, you guys at FireWire are specialists in this. Now, you're a family-run business. How long have you been at this?
Since 2013. So we do everything 12-volt LED. So we do all of your replacement bulbs for all your vehicles. We do LED headlights, turn signals, reverse lights, interior bulbs. We also do add-on kits such as the 360 kit. We have the truck bed lighting, and then we have a full line of off-road stuff. So some of the newer popular lights are the rock lights, the wheel ring lights, and the big trucks and all that kind of stuff. So just provide lights for everybody.
And when you mean everybody, you're talking, you know, the folks that are just hitting the trails for the weekends when it comes to off-roading, and then the pros are using your stuff as well.
Oh, sure, absolutely. It's all military grade. It's rated for construction, farm equipment, your police, fire, safety, all that. You know, those guys are out risking their life for us, so we figure we should offer them a good product.
And I know that a lot of fleets are using safety lights like this. What's this kit that we have on the F-150?
So this is our basic 360 kit. It just gives you a front, a rear, and both side lighting. There's easy ways to do it, there's hard ways to do it. We try to simplify this and make it as universal as we can possibly do it. As you can see, we put this on in a couple hours just messing around, not really struggling too hard. It's designed for anybody to put it on. Best part is there's no drilling required. It's all 3M tape, clean everything. It comes with adhesive promoter. Stick everything on, plug everything in, connect it to your battery, and you're good to go. So the basic kit actually just comes with the 4 lights themselves. We can do some add-on stuff. On this truck particularly, the rocker panels, the way the door comes down, there's no pinch weld or anything, so there's really nothing to put the lights on. So we do make a bracket for that. It's very similar to this one right here, it's a little bit longer, and then we can just attach it to the truck. We use 3M tape on this side. Sometimes you can use self-tappers or however you want to do it.
How durable is that 3M tape? How long is that going to last?
So it's actually the same exact 3M tape that the manufacturers use for the side cladding, for the emblems and all that stuff, so it never comes off as long as you prep it properly. So everything is plug and play. We come with extensions. They're all waterproof connectors, so everything plugs right in. So the kit comes with 2 longer lights for the sides, a medium light for the rear, so you can either use it as a back window kit or an under tailgate kit. And one of the add-ons is to purchase another 49-inch light, which you can do both. So you can have a back window and an under tailgate. Those are 2 most popular items. We always recommend more is better, especially like if you're in a motorist and you see somebody on the side of the road, if you have a high light and a low light, it gives you 2 points of reference. Kind of gets your attention a little better. And then we have a shorter light on the front. All the newer trucks, the grills are actually mounted to the core support. This one, the grill's still mounted to the hood. It's a little bit older, not a big deal. Just put the light down on the bumper instead of on the grill. The kit comes with a 4-in-1 splitter. You just connect all 4 wires into the one. It comes out, it goes screws right to the controller, and then you run 1 wire to your switch and 1 to your battery, and then ground it up. You always need access to the firewall. Sometimes you can go through a drain plug on the floor pan, or you can go through the boot next to the brake booster.
Now, a lot of folks are renting vehicles and using this and moving the lights from vehicle to vehicle once their lease is up, which I think is pretty cool.
Absolutely. They're 100% reusable. All of our safety lighting does have a 3-year warranty on it. Typically, people are swapping out vehicles about every 3 years, it seems like right now anyway. So you can pull it off. As long as everything's working great, we offer a reinstall kit. It just comes with new 3M tape and an adhesion promoter, and prep your lights, put them back on the new truck, and you're good to go.
Quickly, there's a few items here that you can add on to the 360 kit. Now, this is for the rear?
Yep. All the Super Duties and F-150s are now aluminum. And some of the other trucks are starting to go that way too. So we have the magnetic light, which is great for the 360 because it has 360 degrees light up there. Now this light won't stick on the newer trucks, so we offer this bracket with a magnetic plate onto it. It just goes right between your third brake light and the cab. If you want more light on the front, this is actually our windshield light. If you can see the angle of the light, so it's actually designed to go across the top of the windshield. You want to prep that really well because it is the top of the windshield and it does have a lot of wind and sun and everything up there. And then these are our surface mount lights. It's a 2-color. It has the exact same flashing pattern as our lights here. Uses the same controller, same plug, everything. These are actually a lifetime warranty because they use our rock light. We just have a different circuit board in there.
Well, the folks at FireWire are making your life easier. They're making it a whole lot safer. You go to FirewireLEDs.com. We'll be right back with more Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, so keep it right here.